Hi guys, and welcome back to more Brooktail135. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a TikTok using DaVinci Resolve. So the first step is obviously to go on DaVinci Resolve. Now you click on it, it'll be the latest version, and you just click free download and then follow the steps to download it. I'll put the link in the description for the latest download. Click the link and then you'll find it. So once you've loaded up DaVinci Resolve, you want to click on new project and name it. I'm just going to name it TikTok tutorial, and you'll be brought up with this screen. Now you want to click on this bottom bit right here. You can see my mouse. Click on the edit tab and you'll be brought up with something like this. It won't look the same, but you can always drag whatever you want, make it smaller, bigger, you know, that type of stuff. And you want to go to this no clips in media pool. You'll see that. Click on import media. Now you'll be brought up with your files. I'm just going to go to one of mine and just click on a random file. So say this one for example, and change. Now you'll see that it will stay on like the 1980 by 1920 by 1080. So you click on the clip and you click on create new timelines using the selected clip, and you do that. Untick use project settings. Click on format and use vertical scene. Now you can see that changed to 1080 by 1920. This is the size you want to use for your TikTok clip, and you click create. As you can see, that changed. Now if I show you what it looks like that, and you don't really want it to look like that if you have a webcam. So what you want to do is make sure this clip that you've got on your timeline is unlinked. So select your clip and you'll see like a little link icon here. Unlink it. Now if I click off it a sec, now you can see it's unlinked, and you want to press on Alt on your keyboard and drag it up. Now you have two clips. Now click on your first clip, which is your top clip, and then you'll see that there's an arrow where it's got like a square, and you click on transformation and that will be selected, and you just make it a little bit smaller so you can see your webcam. And now you click on crop and you crop it to where your webcam is. Doesn't need to be perfect, you can always readjust it for your liking. I usually like to go pretty close to the edges but leave a small little edge of the picture of my gameplay in the background of my webcam. Now you click on transformation again and you want to make it a little bit bigger to the size of the top. You can make it small like this, or you can make it so it's literally like that. There you go, that looks perfect. Now for your bottom clip, you can just keep the transformation icon selected, and if it's not, you can always reselect it. And you want to bring up your gameplay. Now it doesn't need to be perfect, just make it so your gameplay can be seen. Now to make sure it's okay for you, you just click play, and once you've looked over your video, you can add your own like subtitles by clicking on the custom title text, and you just drag it to the top. Now as you can see, the text is in the middle of my screen, and you literally just go listen to what you've said. I've not said anything in this video, so you'll just put OMG kill, and you can change the text to whatever text you like by just going through and picking what one you like. Now it won't, you have to scroll all the way up for the correct text for you, but I use, if I can find it, Bada Boom BB. You can use different ones like Luckiest Guy, yeah, and you can change the size. And obviously you want to select that, the size of your text, so say you want it about that big so it's visible, and you want to go on layout, background. You just want to go on these settings and just change it. Now you can change the speed and stuff, but we don't want that. We want shadow, we want the appearance. You want black shadow, do this, click on it. The thickness, you can do whatever you want. Say I just want to do this on outside only, or actually we'll just leave it like that, and that's good. You can change the color to any color you want. So say if I wanted to do red, click OK. That would change normally, but you know, we'll just leave it like that. And we want to click on that and transform it. And once you've done the shading, you want to go on text layout, you go on settings, sorry I haven't done this in a while, and you want to click on the position. So we want to keep it at the position it's at, which is the middle, and we go on the Y position, and as you can see it moves up, and we want it say about there. Now we'll level that to the end of the clip. Now you can separate these by going on the cut badge and just cutting it and changing it to whatever you say. And once you've done like all of that, you can, on your first one, before you cut it, and you can just like make it smaller by dragging in the edges, but you can like go like 4 arrows across or 2 arrows, do a little bit of a zoom, and then you go to the edge and like, you know, do it like so it zooms in more, as so it's slowly zooming in. And background music, you want non-copyrighted music, so go on import. You don't have to do, you know, music. You can always do TikTok and music when you put it through the edit, and go to wherever you put your music, and you want to make sure it's non-copyrighted. So say if I wanted this one, you just drag it into the bottom. You want to cut it, or cut it wherever you want your music to be. Click on the rest of the music, just click the delete button, and the volume you don't want too loud. Say we want it about there, and we just listen to it, and as you can see, that's a TikTok clip, dead quick. You can do all sorts of things. There is more tutorials out there, but if you need to know how to do something for your TikTok videos using DaVinci Resolve, comment down below. So once you've edited your TikTok to the way you want it, what you want to do is click on the rocket at the bottom of your screen. Once you've done that, make sure you have it titled. Click on where you want browse and where you want your clip to go, and make sure it's correct for you. Click add to render. Obviously I've not put it anywhere, but click add to render. It'll come up in your job queues, and then it'll say render all button. Now you render it, it will go to wherever you've saved it, and then you can transfer that clip to your phone gallery, or you can just upload it on the TikTok desktop app. So that's how you render your clip, so it's for your TikTok videos. So that is the end of the video. If you guys need any more help with TikTok videos or normal YouTube videos in general, please do comment down below. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe for any new tutorials to do with editing and streaming. There will be more coming soon, and I might do a POV video, so maybe be on the lookout for that. If you want to watch any live streams of mine, go to my main channel, that will be in the description below, and any links I've used or any websites I've used in this video will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a great day and enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.